Welcome, in front of me is an Oura Ring 4, and I'll just be going over a simple unboxing of this smart ring. Okay, let's get right into it. We do have two pull tabs on the sides right here. There we go. I have some information at the back right here. Oura Ring 4 black 14. So this is I think one of the bigger ones. Definitely too big for my fingers, I'm pretty sure. Now it's like more like a fidget spinner on my hand rather than the smart ring. Then we got a charging dock. It's actually a pretty nifty way to package it as well. It only goes one way, as you can see. It won't actually spin anymore. No. So there we go. Once it falls in, it's all the way on there. As you can see it kind of from the side. If I try to do it any other way, it doesn't go on. There we go. There's no magnet holding it as well, so it just falls out. Oh, okay, so we have a little indent right here, you can see, which makes it a little bit much easier to position it as it matches with this one right here. Now, anyway, below that we have a gray cable, Type-C to Type-C. Obviously you don't need to use this one, you can use any kind of Type-C cable that you have lying around. And you can see that at the back we do have a Type-C port. The base itself has just the tiniest bit of weight to it, nothing like super heavy. The rubber feet also don't really stick too well, or even prevent it from sliding all too much, as you can see. So that's one thing, and yeah, that's about everything that there is. Now, I'm not going to be looking at the price or judging the price of this ring, because these products are relatively new. As a smart ring, though relatively new is probably not very accurate. They've been out for like already a couple of years, I think. They still cost basically a premium. So you're gonna be paying for something that is super small, new, and fills the functions of something like the smartwatch right here. But you know, it comes with a much smaller form factor and also most likely a better battery life, as smartwatches, especially ones that are running Android, don't really have too great of a battery life. But when you compare it to something like the Smartband from Xiaomi as an example, these get like a month of battery, and at this point I'm pretty sure this might not be getting a month. Now, I also want to point out a design choice right here, so it's kind of barely visible, but inside we have just holes, I guess, probably the best way to describe this, for all the sensors that are all around, like the ones for like heart rates and all that stuff. This I have not even a clue what this is. It's a pretty big opening for a sensor right there. Oh, there we go. It's kind of hard to get the light to shine correctly in there. And I'm comparing this, talking about this because something like the Samsung Galaxy Ring has a transparent inside, so you can see basically all the internal like engineering that they had to do. Here, it's more covered up and you can only see the sensors. But yeah, anyway, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.